Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PID admission July 2022-23. So NIT Surathkal has given notification for admission to PID program 2022-23. Along with that MTech sponsored and MTech research program admission also going on. So they have also given notification for both these in same browsers. Admission to MTech sponsored MTech research and PhD program 2022-23. So here I am going to we are going to see the overall detail of the program. Here you can see they have given information about the institute, location, self-contained residential campus, computing facility and campus network, library facility. These all are the courses here in the Surathkal, NIT Surathkal. These programs are running. Chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, computer science and engineering, electronics and electrical, electronics communication, information technology, mathematical and computational sciences, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, mining engineering, physics, School of Management, water resource and ocean engineering, formerly applied mechanics and hydraulics department. The teaching departments responsible for these all are the institute offers undergraduate program in 9 disciplines, postgraduate program in 31 specialized areas. The institute also offers facilities for research leading to PhD degree in various branches of engineering, science, humanity and social science. So okay, these all are the discipline. In that there are various sub-discipline also for civil engineering. MTech people, if anyone want to apply for MTech research program, then they can select anyone in civil, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering and CTM. If you are going to apply for water resource and ocean engineering, then you can select marine structure, water resource engineering and management, geoinformatics. Likewise for mechanical you can select thermal, manufacturing, mechatronics or mechanical design. For electronics communication you can select VLSI design, communication engineering and network, or signal processing and machine learning. Likewise there are various sub-disciplines for MTech research people. Minimum qualification for MTech program, common MTech program, common to all MTech program. Admission to MTech program shall be open to Indian national who have passed the prescribed qualifying examination with CGPA of at least 6.5 in 0 to 10 scale grading system or not less than 60% marks. MTech 2022 admission is done by CCMT, coordinated by MNIT Jaipur. A limited number of seats are available under self-finance category and separate notification will be released for this category. Means if you are applying for MTech admission, then it will be done through CCMT 2022 and they will give separate notification for that. Type of student status for MTech program: full-time students on GATE scholarship, which is done through CCMT. Full-time sponsored students under QIP, full-time sponsored students from industry or other organization or educational institution, or full-time self-financed. This is the MTech research program, common to all MTech research program, same 6.5 CGPA or not less than 60% marks. Students status same, full-time students on GATE scholarship, full-time student sponsored from industry or other organization, external instance students sponsored from industry or other organization, internal instance sponsored institute or project staff of NIT Karnataka. A student of type A will receive GATE scholarship for the duration of 4 semesters, which is subjected to GATE scholarship rules of MHRD or Ministry of Education. Students of type B and C shall be sponsored and financed by sponsoring organization. They are not entitled for any scholarship. He has to produce a sponsorship clearance certificate in the given format of institute along with application. The candidate must have minimum of 2 years of full-time work experience for this sponsor SIP category MTech in the sponsoring organization after qualifying completing qualifying examination. This table is given details qualifying examination for MTech sponsored and research programs. Like for civil, if you have BE BTech or BS engineering in civil or a structural engineering of any recognized Indian university or AMIE in civil engineering, then you can apply for every departments. They have given this means eligibility criteria and what the qualification they require, so you have to take care of that. So these all are the same. It's not possible to go in full detail. Now coming to PhD program, they are offering PhD for engineering or technology in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and in humanity, social sciences and management. Regarding eligibility criteria, you must have passed the qualifying degree in relevant field with 6 CGPA or not less than 60% marks in aggregate. For SC/ST or PWD category, it must be 55% or 5.5 CGPA. For PhD in engineering or technology, you must have master degree in relevant field. For physics, master degree in relevant field. For chemistry, MSc or MTech in relevant field, including M.Pharma. For mathematics, you must have MSc in mathematics or MTech in relevant field or MCA. For humanity, social science and management, you must have your master degree in relevant field, CA, along with undergraduate degree. If the evaluation system in qualifying degree is in both CGPA and marks, CGPA value will be considered. In such cases, conversion from grade point system to percentage will not be considered. In this also, for PhD program, there are 5 categories. First one, full-time students on institute scholarship, in which you will get 31,000, 35,000 scholarship. Second category, full-time sponsored students under QIP. Full-time or external resident sponsored from industry or other organization, including educational institution. Internal assistants, sponsored institutes or project staff of NIT, Karnataka. Full-time non-sponsored or non-scholarship students. For one, you must have passed GATE or UGC CSIR exam or DAE just to be admitted to PhD program. For type 3, shall be sponsored and financed by sponsoring organization, and they will not get any institute scholarship. He had to produce a experience certificate of 2 years of full-time work in the sponsoring organization after completing qualifying examination. Only those applicants having postgraduate degree in basic science, social science, community management, mathematics, engineering or technology, and who have qualified through NET GATE are eligible for fellowship as per institute norms. Employed for professional having experience and proven competence aspiring for PhD program will be considered under external registration and will be allowed to pursue their research at their own location of work. These all are the specialization. You can apply for civil, water resource and ocean engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics communication, then chemical, metallurgical and material, physics, mining, school of management, chemistry, mathematical and computational sciences, IT, CSE. Selection procedure for MTech and MTech research and PhD. They have given separate selection procedure. For MTech, they will take the admission through CCMT counseling. CCMT 2022 coordinated by MNIT Jaipur. Seats are allocated based on GATE scores. For MTech sponsored seats, MTech research are done by NIT Karnataka Surathkal. For a sponsored selection of a candidate for admission will be based upon academic performance in qualifying examination or written test and or interview. And they must have 2 years of full-time work experience. For self-finance, separate notification for admission to self-finance program will be released on institute website. For MTech research, same by GATE score Gate score. Some of the program selection will be based on at least 70% weightage to gate score and remaining 30% weightage to academic performance or written test and or interview. PhD same based on gate score and written and interview they will conduct, and according to that they will select. Regarding application fee, they will charge 500 for other caste, OBC, EWS, and 150 for SC, ST and PWD candidate, and you have to pay through IRIS portal on or before 25th of May 2022. Hard copy of completed application form with payment receipt and copies of all necessary documents is to be sent to Assistant Registrar, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal, Srinivas Nagar, Mangalore, 575025, Karnataka, to reach on or before 27th of May. Application for PhD or MTech admission in the department of, you have to mention clearly on the top of envelope. Candidate sponsored by educational institution or industry must get their application forwarded through proper channel. Application which are incomplete or defective or received late are liable to be rejected summarily, and no correspondence will be entertained on such application. This is the important dates. Last date 25th of May to get hard copy at NIT Karnataka. It is 27th May. Last date for dispatch of call letter by email only to shortlisted candidate on the 3rd of June. Written test and interview on 16th June and 17th June. Then last date for sending recommendation merit list by department to Dean 21st June, and publication of provisional selected merit list on website 24th of June. Sending the admission offer letter 27th June. Then physical reporting to be announced later. Everything after that will be declared later. These all are the intake for a sponsored program. This is for MTech research and this is for PhD. These all are the documents, original mark sheet of all semester, years, master's, bachelor degree, date of birth, certificate in original, SSLC or 10th standard, degree certificate or course completion certificate, caste certificate, AWS category certificate, GateNet scorecard, sponsorship certificate, NOC, passing certificate for AMI candidate, MTech, PWD certificate. These all are things you will be required during your document verification. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.